Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the auto capitalize in the Google Docs. So if you want to have every new sentence in here to automatically capitalize on a first word, this is what you are going to do. Let's try to write it first. For example, here, how to turn on the auto capitalize. As you guys can see here, the how in here, because this is the first letter and word, doesn't capitalize automatically. So if you want to turn it on, you can just here enable the options by going to tools at the top, then go to the preferences and see, and here at the general tab at the very top there will be this option, automatically capitalize words. So you can just enable this first, click on OK, and let's try to write again how, and then space. As you guys can see, the each letter will automatically capitalize by the Google Docs. So that's really easy. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.